Hey ladies, it's me, Keisha. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all of my Amazon workout items that I use to stay healthy and fit, or just to get back in shape rather, because I'm not healthy or fit right now. Like I told you guys in my August reset video, I'm pretty much the size of a grown ass man right now. So I'm still losing weight. I'm dropping pounds every single week. And I just wanted to show you guys some items that has been making this process a lot easier for me. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys my Amazon items. The first thing I picked up was a gym workout bag. If you guys see my workout bag currently, y'all are going to judge me because it's kind of old. It's a hot mess. So I picked up a new one because my old gym bag, it's kind of a hot mess at this point. I've had it for a while, and also it's only one compartment. So all of the dirty clothes, the wet stuff, the tennis shoes all goes in one big area. Versus this one, they have different compartments, so I like that. The first one they have is this clear compartment. This is for like old wet clothes. It zips up so it compresses the smell in and the odors. So love that. And then on the front they have a little pocket for my cell phone and my headphones. On the side they have the water bottles. They have two little things so I can put water. I can put Gatorade or whatever I want up in here pretty much. And then on the bottom, which is my favorite part, you can put your tennis shoes up in there, your wet shoes. So it's pretty big too. Obviously it sits inside of the bag, but it's away from everything, so you don't have to worry about your dirty, nasty shoes that's been all over the ground, just kind of, touching the clothes. Everything is separate. This bag is a little cheap. I won't even lie. It's very affordable and it's flimsy. Unlike the one I have is more quality, but I like this one because of different compartments. So I would do cheap with different compartments that kind of work for me versus expensive and only one compartment. I like how you can wear it right here on your arm, but then you can also use the strap, the larger strap. So you can use the larger strap, and it is adjustable. So you can kind of, do whichever one you want, but most likely I'm going to be using this one because it's more convenient for me. But yeah, I like this gym bag. It's pretty wide too. You guys can see the full size of it. So like this, definitely glad I picked it up. The next thing I picked up are my favorite, and they are these purple and black Leopard workout gloves. Y'all see the print on them? So cute. But I picked these up because normally I have the gloves that only fit around this part of my hand and my fingertips are out. And for some reason I always get blisters right here on my fingers. So I figured if I get a full glove, then I can avoid that. But I like how these have the little grippers on it so you can grip the weight. And it also clenches in on your wrist so they won't come off. And it gives you a little protection on your wrist because it's kind of tight around it. And then if you want to use your phone, like to just change your music, you can do that because this works with your phone. And they also have the little grippers on all the hands. But I love these gloves. They're so comfortable. They were so inexpensive. And I feel like they're really going to get the job done. Love these gloves. Favorite thing I purchased the entire haul. The next thing I picked up were some new towels. I have a black one, kind of like a lighter purple one or lavender, and then a gray one. I picked up some new towels because the regular towels that I had were just regular towels, so they would get wet. But these are microfiber, so you can literally hang them out to dry before you put them in the dirty clothes, and they dry quickly. Also, when I'm working out with them and I'm sweating, if I wipe my face, then I feel like it dries quick enough so when I use it again, it's not still wet. So I definitely went ahead and picked up some of these towels. And not to mention, they're gorgeous. They're kind of like a silk, kind of a little silky. But I love the texture of them. They're so soft. And I feel like it matched the aesthetics of where I'm trying to go, the purple, the black, the grays. So definitely had to pick up some new towels. So I'm going to put that in my handy dandy gym bag. The next thing I picked up were some workout tights. I needed some new ones because I'm working out every single day, and a lot of the old ones don't really fit me. I got the purple and I also got some other colors. They were in a pack of 4, so I just went ahead and grabbed a bunch of different colors. I got them in blue, black, and gray. I got these in an extra large or large to extra large because it was either an extra small to small, a medium to small, and then the extra large to extra large, something like that. But they had 2 sizes in one. And I got the extra large because I am a little bigger right now. And although I'm on a weight loss journey, I didn't want to get like, super high quality ones. So I just went ahead and grabbed the cheapest ones that'll get the job done. So I picked up these cheap leggings. But I feel like it's good for anybody who have just started working out. You don't really want to go and buy the Nikes and Adidas when you just started working out, especially if you're going to be dropping weight fast, because you don't know what size you're going to be a month from now or 2 months from now. So I feel like it's best to just get the cheaper ones first. And then as you lose weight and become just a regular gym person, then you can go and invest in, you know, like higher quality ones. So I just want to pick up these high quality, low quality, I meant to say, ones. You're going to be comfortable and it's going to get the job done. The next thing I picked up were some gym shirts, or just some kind of sports bras, but not really. If you have big boobs, I don't recommend these. I'm just going to be honest. I don't recommend them. Especially if you plan on doing high intensity stuff, I don't recommend them. I don't recommend them. But if you have smaller boobs, or you can just put on a sports bra and then put this on over with, because I used to be really confident and I would wear sports bras to the gym with no shirt on, but I'm not that confident nowadays. So I needed some little shirts to go over it. But I have seen people in the gym with no bra that have these on. But I personally would wear a sports bra and just put this underneath it. That way my stomach wouldn't be out. But I picked this up in green. Also got this little color right here, this brown, blue for the aesthetics, black, white, and green. So I picked them up in every single color. I tried to color coordinate with the bottoms, but I think I may have missed the mark. Maybe some of them match up. I'll see once I try them on. But these are still really good gym clothes because they're so cheap. So it gets the job done. And like I said before, once you become a regular gym member, you can invest in more. The next thing I picked up, this is going to get me in shape the best. And they are, I already have some of these. I pretty much already have everything that I purchased, but I just repurchased it because it was time. But I'm most excited about these, and they are, drum roll, they're rubber bands. But I like these because they're, oh my gosh, these are strong. I got these because I don't like the rubber ones. They just roll up and they're uncomfortable and they always seem to pinch me. So I got these. It's way better material. They're so strong so they're not bendable. And I like how, do y'all see this? Y'all see how hard it is to pull this? So it's going to work you out. I love how they come in this little bag because for some reason my resistance bands always all over the place. Like when I'm working out, they always seem to be all over the place. But since I have this cute little bag, I can just go ahead on and scrunch it up, lock it up, and then put it in the bag. That way I'm being more organized in the gym. So add it to the gym bag. Nothing makes working out in the gym more exciting than actually investing in your process. When it comes to workout clothes, you can cheap out all day long. But when it comes to the things that's actually going to give you results, I recommend just go ahead on and getting the things that work, because it's going to give you the fastest results and you're not going to get frustrated by the annoying resistant bands, especially if you're a beginner. Those resistant bands are lose their stretchiness so fast and they're usually cheap and pinch your leg, roll down if you're not doing your technique right. But when it comes to this one, I feel like you're not going to have that problem, and obviously it's not going to be bending and rolling down. The next thing I picked up was my toiletry bag. Just for when I want to shower at the gym, I can just go ahead on and have everything I need inside of here. That way it's not just dangling around inside the bag. I actually have a designated place for it. And I went ahead and got the same purple and gray. That way it matched the aesthetics of the actual bag. So I picked this up from my last video with the candle haul, just so that I can use it for the gym. It's a little bowl. If you haven't seen my last video, then go watch my Bath and Body Works candle haul and you'll see this. 1000 Wish spray, the lotion, as well as the bath stuff. And I think it's gonna look so cute because obviously it's purplish. So I can just put it inside of the bag. I can put this one here, this one right here. Then I also have my lip balm, my purple deodorant, obviously. Then I have my sunscreen just in case it's in the morning time and now I'm about to walk outside. Gotta have the sunscreen. And it's white so it matches the aesthetics too. And then this side is getting a little full so I can just zip it up. And then there's another section in here and I can just put the lotion, my body sunscreen, face wash, toothpaste, and lastly my toothbrush. So all of that fits up in here. And this is pretty much how it looks. And yeah, this is my handy dandy toiletry bag. So cute. Perfect. So adding this to the gym bag. I also picked up some more towels. It came in this cute little bag, and then when you take it out the bag, they have this little wrapping. So you can take this off of it, roll the towels up, and then when you're ready to just kind of fold them up, you can fold them up and then put the little band back on them so it keeps them together. And then once it keeps them together, you can put it back inside of the bag and then inside of your gym bag. So just in case that little compartment inside my gym bag is not big enough for all of my towels and my dirty clothes, and I can just put the dirty clothes up in there to compress the smells, and I can just put the towels right back in their rightful place. I also went ahead and pick up a lock just in case I need to leave my items inside of the gym. You don't want to walk around with a big gym bag all the time, especially when you have all of these items, and most times they're not even allowed on the floor. So if you need to lock your stuff up, then you can just go ahead on and use like this little lock. And of course it's purple because it matches the aesthetics. The next thing I picked up was a speaker headphone. A lot of times when I'm walking and running, the AirPods always comes out of my ears. And now that I have the regular headphones, when you're walking, it jumps or it skips the song over and over again. It's been doing a lot to me. So I went ahead on and grabbed these, and hopefully they work when I'm walking. I can just put it around my head and then plug, like Bluetooth into my actual phone, and that way when I'm running, I can still hear music without it, moving, shaking, or coming out of my ears. So I went ahead and picked this up. The next thing I picked up was a calorie counting jump rope. I picked this up because a couple months ago I was doing a jump rope challenge, and I noticed that when I would be jumping, it would be hard to count as well as still, maintain my speed and just, make sure I don't stop. So the fact that I basically have a jump rope that counts it for me now, I had to pick this up. It also counts your calories so you can know how many calories you're burning while you're jumping. So love this, and this was inexpensive. I think I spent maybe $12 on this, so I'm definitely going to be using this. And the next thing I picked up is pink, so it's not purple. They didn't have purple. Well, they had purple, but it was going to take longer to get here, and since I wanted to get you guys this video this week, I went ahead and settled for pink. Which, I'm not going to even lie, I like pink better than purple, but I just picked the purple aesthetics this time just because I always do pink. So I figured I would switch it up a little bit. But I got this bottle. You can hold it from the top. This is the only thing that I cannot put in my gym bag. Technically I can, but I wouldn't. I would just have the gym bag on my shoulders and then just have this in my hand too. You can hold it from the top. But here's my phone in it, so I can just have this in one hand and then have my gym bag in the other hand. So perfect for me. And this can even come off if you wanted to, and you can wash this if you need to. And it's, has some coolant in it so it keeps your items cold or hot. And then it also comes with this little strap. So even if I didn't want to hold it from there, I can also hold it from this little comfortable strap. It kind of gives you encouragement to drink more water throughout the day. 8 a.m. it says ready, go. And then 10 a.m. it says you got this, feeling awesome. Halfway there, no excuses, a little bit more, yeah, you did it. And every 2 hours they tell you to make sure that you drink a little bit down. So this is perfect. The last thing that I picked up was a waist trainer. I don't think I need to stress how important this is in the gym. It helps with your posture as well as sucking your stomach in so that you can get the full effect of the workout. I had one of these long time ago, but as I told y'all before, I've gained a lot of weight. So it's just way too uncomfortable. And I honestly don't think waist trainer has to be that tight on you. You just need something that's going to compress enough to, hold your posture up, but then still give you a little push in. If it feels too tight, then take it off. It's not healthy. And it's probably doing more harm than good. So I just went and got a bigger one so that I can fit now. And as I lose weight, I'll transition back into the old one and eventually get a smaller one. And yeah, that was pretty much all of the gym items that I have. Let me know in the comments which ones you guys are going to actually be purchasing and which one you feel like is the most beneficial. And also let me know if you guys are going to join me on this journey or if you're enjoying this kind of content. Give me a like if you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I will see you guys later. Mwah.